I, Navdeep Kaur, commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID 19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask, face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance from 6 feet from other, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together, we will win this fight against COVID 19. Thank you. So, dear students of 8th grade, this is the chapter number 11, India Human Resources. इसमें हम क्या क्या पढ़ेंगे? अंडरस्टैंडिंग द मीनिंग ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज, स्टडिंग द पॉपुलेशन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इन इंडिया, recognizing the role of health and education in human resources development, understanding the concept of skilled and unskilled human resources. People across the world belong to different social groups. The lifestyle, economic status, level of education and income can differ from individual to individual. So इस सब में जो है difference पाया जाता है. The services rendered by the people are very important for a nation. For example, doctors, engineers, teachers, scientists, writers and artists from the skilled, trained and creative human power of our society. So these are the fields. Those people are quite skilled and a powerful part of the society. People engaged in all kind of useful activities are known as the human resources. सो जो लोग हैं एंगेज्ड होते हैं यूज़फुल एक्टिविटीज़ के साथ, उनको क्या बोला जाता है? ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज. द पीपल ऑफ अ कंट्री आर इट्स ग्रेटेस्ट वेल्थ एज दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द नेशन. दे डिसाइड हाउ टू यूज़ द नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज इन ऑर्डर टू गेन प्रॉफिट एंड हेल्प इन इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द कंट्री. वो लोग जो है ना, लोग जो है वो सबसे ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है एक नेशन को प्रोग्रेस करने के लिए, बिकॉज दे नो देन हाउ टू develop the state economically. Government and other institutions propound various initiatives to develop the skills of the people in their countries by providing education and training, thus adding value to them. These people are the human resources who are extremely valuable to the country. Distribution of population in India. India is the second most populated country in the world. The population in India is not equal distributed. Some places are heavily populated. कुछ जगह पे ज़्यादा लोग हैं, while some are scantily populated. Population distribution means the way people are spaced in a country. The following chart show the population distribution in India. So you can see population distribution in India. कहीं पे population बहुत ज़्यादा है तो कहीं पे इतनी है. Some states are mentioned over here. The major factors that affect population distributions are rural urban composition, geographical factors and sex ratio. रूरल अर्बन कॉम्पोजिशन. पीपल इन इंडिया डिपेंड मोस्टली ऑन एग्रीकल्चर. सो ज़्यादा जो लोग हैं वो एग्रीकल्चर के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट हैं. मोर देन 70% ऑफ इंडियाज़ पॉपुलेशन लिव इन विलेजेस. 70% से भी ज़्यादा जो लोग हैं वो गाँव में रहते हैं and form the agrarian society. This is why agriculture form the backbone of Indian economy. Indian economy की जो agriculture है वो backbone मानी जाती है. About 82% of the people in the country live in rural areas, forming the rural population. These people are mainly associated with primary activities such as farming, fishing, raising livestock, etc. So इनकी क्या क्या मेन ऑक्यूपेशंस होते हैं, कौन कौन से काम ये करते हैं? फार्मिंग करते हैं, फिशिंग करते हैं, छोटे छोटे जो काम हैं वो करते हैं. On the other hand, people living in the cities form the urban population of the country. Mumbai, Delhi, Calcutta, Bangalore are some of the important business centers where you will find dense population. Geographical factors controlling distributions of population in India. Geographical factors भी control करते हैं population की इंडिया को distribution में. People are influenced by geographical factors which play an important role in determining the availability of natural resources in a place. This in turn affects the distribution of the population. Densely populated regions have favorable geographical condition. Availability of water. Water is vital for life. सबको पता है द अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ फ्रेश वाटर इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट डिटर्मिनिंग फैक्टर्स फॉर ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट. द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सरफेस वाटर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ रिवर, लेक, ग्राउंड वाटर अट्रैक्ट पीपल टू सेटल इन दोज प्लेसेस. जहाँ पे पानी ज़्यादा है तो लोग अट्रैक्ट होते हैं कि वहीं पे सेटल डाउन हुआ जाए. नेक्स्ट इज लैंड फॉर्म्स. The landform of a particular region also influences its population distributions. Plain attract larger population. जहाँ पे जो एरिया प्लेन होगा वहाँ पे ज़्यादा लोग जो है वो होंगे. Plateaus and mountainous terrain are unfavorable. East, Uttar Pradesh, North Bihar and West Bengal form a major part of the Ganga plain. This region has a very high population density. नेक्स्ट इज़ क्लाइमेट का भी काफ़ी रोल होता है. मॉडरेट क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस फेवर पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ, वेयर एज हार्श कंडीशन डेटर पीपल फ्रॉम लिविंग इन अ प्लेस. आगे है सॉइल. सॉइल इज नेसेसरी फॉर वेजिटेशन एंड फॉर ग्रोइंग फूड फॉर द पॉपुलेशन. Agriculturally rich places support dense population. For example, the Ganga Brahmaputra basin has rich and fertile soil and is ideal for agriculture. Hence, this region is highly populated. तो वहाँ पे जो है वो ज़्यादा population पाई जाती है. Sex ratio. One of the most important characteristics in the study of population is the number of women and men in that place. The ratio between the number of women and men is in a given population is known as the sex ratio. In India, it is the number of females per thousand males. The sex ratio of country indicates the status of women there. In places where gender discrimination is prevalent, the sex ratio is low. Females infanticide still prevalent in many places of India in one of the main cause of low sex ratio. According to the population census of 2011, the sex ratio in India is 940 females per 1000 males. Kerala and Pondicherry have the highest sex ratio. In Kerala, it is 1084 females, 1000 males, and in Pondicherry, it is about 1037 and 1000 of males. One on the other hand, Haryana has the lowest sex ratio of 861 females per 1000 males. So student, we have read this chapter up to the page number 108. I hope you understand about this chapter. That will be easy for you to understand the question and answer and the back exercise as well. Thank you.